opinions. Every great transformation begins with a simple act of recovery. Plastic once polluting our oceans is collected.
Advanced cleaning and intelligent sorting ensure every recycled material meets strict manufacturing standards. Extrusion. Inside the recycling plant, intelligent sorting systems and advanced cleaning technology remove every impurity. After intensive cleaning, the recovered plastic is shredded, purified, and melted under controlled temperatures. Using advanced textile technology, recycled plastic pellets are transformed into strong polyester fibers, and high-pressure molding transforms recycled materials into lightweight, durable soles engineered for comfort, performance, and long-lasting wear. Precision robotics assemble every component with remarkable accuracy, transforming recycled materials into a complete designer sneaker. Before reaching customers, every sneaker must pass rigorous quality inspections and performance tests, ensuring exceptional. From early morning runs to busy city streets, university campuses, airports, gyms, hiking trails, and everyday adventures. Every approved sneaker is carefully packaged using sustainable materials, digitally tracked, and prepared for safe storage.
From plastic polluting the world's oceans to premium designer footwear, every step of this remarkable journey reflects.
From oceans once polluted with plastic to streets around the world, these sustainable sneakers now support athletes,